How to add discounts to a check. First, open a check. You can change the order type from dine in to pick up. Then add items to the check. Tap on the Discounts option in the right menu section. Discounts can be applied to single items or to the entire check. Discounts can be applied as a fixed amount or as a percentage of an item or the total check. Based on the discount you selected, enter a percentage value or fixed dollar amount. To remove a discount from the check, first select the discount. Tap Check Functions, then Void Item.